Hello and welcome, everyone. I'm thrilled to be with you all for this exciting journey into the world of English education business. Whether you're here to enhance your teaching skills, explore business opportunities in education, or simply grow your passion for English, you're in the right place. Did you know that English is the global language of business, connecting over 1.5 billion speakers worldwide? Mastering English education isn't just about teaching. It's about opening doors to endless opportunities, from building your own language school to consulting for international organizations. By the end of this course, you'll not only understand the fundamentals of English education, but also how to turn that knowledge into a thriving business. So, are you ready to dive in? Let's get started! This 16-week course is designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge to succeed in the English education industry. Here's what you'll achieve by the end of the course. Understand the global demand for English education and how to position yourself in this growing market. Develop effective teaching strategies tailored to diverse learners, from children to professionals. Explore business models for English education, including online platforms, language schools, and corporate training programs. Create a business plan for your own English education venture, complete with marketing and financial strategies. By the end of this course, you'll have the tools to not only teach English, but also to build a sustainable business around it. Let's take a quick look at how the course is structured. Over the next 16 weeks, we'll cover a wide range of topics, including Week 1 to 2, the global landscape of English education, Week 3 to 4, teaching methodologies and curriculum design, Week 5 to 6, technology in English education, online platforms and tools, Week 7 to 8, marketing your English education business, Week 9 to 10, financial planning and funding for education ventures, Week 11 to 12, building partnerships and expanding globally, Week 13 to 14, case studies of successful English education businesses, Week 15 to 16, final project presentations and feedback. I encourage you to take notes, ask questions, and actively participate in discussions. This course is as much about learning from me as it is about learning from each other. Now, let's talk about how you'll be assessed in this course. Here's the breakdown. Active participation, 10%. Engage in class discussions and activities. Projects, 40%. Develop a business plan for your English education venture. Assignments, 10%. Complete weekly tasks to reinforce your learning. Midterm exam, 20%. Test your understanding of key concepts. Final exam, 20%. Assess your overall knowledge and application skills. Attendance, quizzes, and practical work are not graded, but they're essential for your success. Each component is designed to help you apply what you've learned and prepare for real-world challenges. Now it's your turn. I'd love to hear from you. What are your expectations from this course? Are you looking to start your own business, or are you here to enhance your teaching skills? Drop your thoughts in the comments or share them during our live discussions. Also, I'll be posting additional resources and updates throughout the course, so make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. To recap, here's what we covered today: the global impact of English education and its business potential, the course objectives and what you'll achieve by the end, the 16-week structure and key topics we'll explore, the assessment criteria, and how you'll be evaluated, the importance of active participation and collaboration. Remember, this course is your stepping stone to a rewarding career in English education business. So let's make the most of it together. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm excited to embark on this journey with you and can't wait to see what you'll achieve. Don't forget to subscribe for updates, check out the course resources, and join our next session. Until then, keep dreaming big and taking those first steps toward your goals. See you soon